Hello, thank you for watching again. What I'm going to show you guys is this rotary machine that I made. Got inspired by this dude that is online too on YouTube. He has some pretty cool rotary machines as well. I just got inspired by that dude, so I made this rotary machine. Actually, these machines are a lot easier to make than a coil machine, because what you need is just a motor. When I picked the motor, I actually did not have an idea what type of the RPM that I needed to run this machine. So, but I'll show you. By watching a bunch of different videos of how to make this. People sometimes they make them, like a homemade. So this one I'll call a homemade too. Maybe a little bit more fancy than what you see on the other videos on YouTube. The my frames are usually the same brass. I always use that. And also you can see over here there's the contacts. There's two wires over here, positive and negative. I just wanted to define them. I could just go with black, but I just decided to use different colors just for the looks. And I got these a copper piece of pipe. The diameter of it is kind of big, if you can see. That's because of the diameter of the actual motor that is inside. And also this key over here to hold the tube. And it's actually pretty cool. I was able to find that on at the flea market. And if you can see this coin right here, I actually love this coin. It says United We Stand, Noble Eagle right here. The eagle part right here got messed up with the soldering a little bit, but you can still read it there. And also right here, let me show you something over here. What I used over here to connect the needle is this nut right here, and I kind of solder this part right here. I did a little bit of soldering, and I soldered that other piece of brass tubing or brass bar right there. So the only problem with these guys, with these machines, is that I don't know if all of them run like that. Mine runs like that, but if you can see the rubber nipple or the rubber bushing right here, it's actually not there, because what happens when this thing rotates, the top part of your needle has to rotate at the same time. So if you put the rubber part just like you do with the rotor with the coil machine, it will just destroy it. So in this one I just have it like that, and what I do, I just push it in there to hold the needle in place. Let me run it so you can see how it runs. Let me run this for you. Okay. If you see this thing is stopping a little bit, it's because of the wire connection is not that great when I have it like that. So I'm gonna have to modify it in order so it doesn't move that much, because of course it's gonna have to move when you this is actually the first one I actually make, so I'm gonna have to tweak with it a little bit in order to get some good connection. You can actually see it running right there. I'm gonna leave it steady so you can actually see it running. I don't know how fast this thing is supposed to run or anything, just with like I do with coils, because I don't know much about them. But you know what? It's very easy to make them. You don't have to know much about these machines. I got one on eBay that I paid like $15 for it. And that kind of gave me the drive to make something like this. But just get creative, and you guys can make something like that too. I hope you guys like this. So I'm just gonna have to tweak a little bit with this machine in order to make it to get a better contact. I don't even know if you have to have with one of these rubber bands with your rotary. So I'll have it there just to give me some stability on the needle. I haven't even tried on someone, but I will. Probably I'm gonna try it on myself first before I try someone else. But there it is, and over here is my mark right here, my trademark. And I hope you guys like it. I know it's really bulky and super huge. You know, I kind of like my machines like that. I know you're gonna be working a lot for a long time with your machines, but you know, I kind of like it like that. But you know, you can actually take a lot of the weight by having it like that. And after you have it like leaning against your arm, your hand right there, then you get a better, you take a lot of the weight. Okay, so I guess that's about it. I hope you guys like this new video, and thank you for watching.